Assalamualaikum. Hello babies. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Today we will draw a watermelon. Okay? For this watermelon I need a pencil, color box, razor, and here's my copy. Now, watermelon. Spell this word. W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Watermelon. Watermelon is a juicy fruit, right? This is very tasty. Okay, let's start. For this watermelon, at first I want to give here a slanting line. Slanting line. Baka line. Okay? I'm giving here a dot and here is a dot. I'm giving a slanting line. Slanting line. Done. Slanting line. Baka line. Right? Okay. Then I'm giving a half circle. Let's start. First here too. I'm going and touch this line. Yes. Half circle done. Okay. In this side I'm giving another half circle. Another half circle. Look. Second half circle, right? First one is done. Now second half circle. Done. And now I'm giving another half circle. Another half circle. How many half circles are here? 1, 2, and this one is 3 number half circle. Done. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Slanting line, half circle, another half circle, and number 3 half circle. That means 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm giving some seeds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a leaves, তাই না? পাতার মতো মনে হচ্ছে। ফুলের পাতা বা ফুলের গাছের পাতা, ফুলের পাপড়ি এরকম মনে হচ্ছে, তাই না? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's color time. For this watermelon, I am taking 3 colors, and that is, one is red color, dark green color, brown color, and I need also light green color. And that means here. That means I need 4 color. Dark green, red, brown, and light green. Okay, let's start. At first I'm taking dark green color for this last portion. Slowly, very slowly. Color will not go outside. Dark green color is done. Now I'm using here light green color. Light green color is done. Okay. Now, brown color for 6. Done. And now, red color for full this portion. Okay. কেয়ারফুলি আমি ব্রাউন কালারের সাইডগুলো যখন করব কেয়ারফুল থাকতে হবে যেন আমার ব্রাউন কালারটা আর রেড কালারটা যেন মিক্স না হয়ে যায়, ঠিক আছে? বাম সাইড থেকে কালার করবো। Done. My watermelon is done. Look, it's very nice color, right? Okay, baby, you will try at home. Practice it at home. Bye bye. That's all for today.